Here is a work in progress on the one of the enemy characters in Apocalypse Drive. I'm using 3D Code to sculpt the character. It started off as a voxel based model, which is really cool. Part of 3D Code. It's something I like a lot better to do than ZBrush, because it allows you to sort of sculpt molecularly, if that makes any sense, to be able to not have to worry about the topology, or to be able to cut holes in an object and to reshape it and just kind of change your mind as you go. In this file, I've deleted out the voxels to make it a little easier to manipulate and take up less memory. But this is a retopologized model. So on top of the voxels, I built up the topology. So you've got these buttons across the top here. So you've got voxels, which right now I've cleared out. I'm in the render room right now, so you can make a nice render with some real-time shadows and try to sort of speculate on how it's going to look in the engine. And then sculpt, you can actually model polygonally if you want. So you can do something like that, although that's terrible, of course. And then in the painting room, right now I've got the lights kind of screwy. I didn't know that if you're in the render room that it'll influence the other rooms. Across the top of the render room, you've got settings for the light's angle and its intensity. So apparently what looks good in the render room may or may not look good in the painting room or in the sculpting room. But